Ka Congress kam pediang satya ya ke jingtemu ke BJP ban penlong ke wei kari ke wei ke election hakaba an penlong ya ke election MP bat MLA haka jukapor habaro ke wei kari. Habakran haka arpo tarik nai lura hajar pesau syakila pathai kubor udong pet ke Aicc ya ke Meghalaya u Matthew Anthony udaong bakani ke jingtemu ke BJP ke de ke thong ban wanra ya ke ri India haka rukom sensyar presiden. Udaong baka jingtemu halor kani ke de tang ke khana danda haka baki pat ba kimla ban pediang kat kum kecing ong u Anthony ke wei kari ke wei ke election kan Pyntroin yang ki Seng Trai Jylla namar bakat kum ke survey hanyo persen ki beriu kin jet ya ke juk ke parti lada penlong lang ya ke election MP bat MLA ha ke juk ke por ula ong bah ke election MP ki beriu ki jet ya ke Seng National Party Henry ha ke election MLA ki jet ya ki parti na ke Jylla bat ha ke election MDC ne Panchayat bat ki wei ki beriu ki jet ya ki riu shimet Henry lada penlong election lang ha ke juk ke por kan penduk ikan ke kabu jong ki pat ba.
Non-beginner or a non-starter for the simple reason, if at all it has to be a law, it has to be approved by both houses of the parliament, it has to be approved by more than 50% of the states. Now, the national election, people vote for national parties and regional parties. The state election, it's regional parties and the national parties. And when it comes to the district administration, municipality, corporations, people vote for the individual and the parties. What is the logic of mixing it there? And if the government was so serious about it, then why did they do the Lok Sabha polls in this many number of phases? Why are they doing the assembly polls in this many number of phases? So it is, and the IDFC survey report of 2015 says that 77% of the population will vote for the same party if the state and the assembly elections are held together. And if it is held separately, then 61% will vote in different manner. So it is basically BJP's design to have a presidential kind of a rule. So it is not going to happen. And one more thing, if this one nation, one election and all is BJP's administrative skill, they are an administrative disaster for this country. Look at the way the GST has been administered. Look at the way the demonetization has worked. Look at the way the international fuel prices are there and you're still not being given the benefit. And look at the way the Manipur is burning. Our Prime Minister doesn't have the time to visit there, doesn't have the guts, doesn't have the courage to visit Manipur. And for the last 16 months plus, people are dying. Two tribes are fighting against each other. And that Prime Minister led BJP saying that we are going to hold the election of one nation, one election. It's a non-beginner by itself. It's just another Jylla from there. I think we have done enough.